Hi there, this is a quick check and unboxing of the Schlage NDEB, the new wireless cylindrical lock from Schlage. This lock was introduced in 2020 and it offers multiple configurable functions, but most importantly the ability to use Bluetooth mobile credentials. This is a cylindrical lock just like the NDE before it. However, there are a few distinctive features that would separate the new Bluetooth enabled lock versus the old. And even though the box style and size is identical, it's fairly easy to identify the new one by the Bluetooth logo here on the box. Also, the nomenclature has changed. This one is NDEB, B standing for Bluetooth. The old one was NDE80 because the storeroom function was the only one available. If you don't have access to the label, an easy way to identify the new versus the old lock is by looking at this inside the scutcheon, and right off the bat you're gonna see that the motherboard has this golden color, whereas the old NDE80 had a green motherboard. Also distinctive is the presence of this inside push button on the NDEB, something that NDE80 before it did not offer. And this inside push button is the reason why the new NDEB is offering more functions than just storeroom, easily configurable using the Engage mobile app. But what else is in the box? Starting from the bottom right, you have the NC Strike. This is a compartment with bits and pieces. Then you have the two levers over here, your latch bolt, and this is the battery cover. At the top, the parts are laid out and the order of installation. First is the cylindrical chassis with the outside escutcheon and the embedded reader over here. Then you have the anti-rotation plate, the inside spring cage, and finally the inside escutcheon. And if you want more differences, if you look at the NC Strike of the NDEB, it doesn't include the magnet tray that NDE80 needed for its door position sensor. That's because the NDE80 had the door position sensor embedded here on the motherboard, whereas the new NDEB uses this two-piece DPS sensor. And this is one of the reasons why we've included a new paper template for prepping your door. If you need a door position switch for your installation, you're gonna have to drill these additional holes or channel just to make room for the new DPS. In this accessories compartment, you're gonna find the battery holder, 4 AA batteries that are needed to operate the lock. If you order the lock with a Schlage cylinder, you're gonna have that included as well. You're gonna get a credential to use the lock straight out of the box, and also a couple of screw packs that also include a screw for the battery cover. In here, you're also gonna have a lever removal tool that might come in handy. And if you're wondering, you can easily retrofit an NDE80 installation with the new NDEB mobile enable lock. And we have the inside escutcheon and the new DPS sensor as an upgrade kit. You can see the part number now on the screen. Make sure you specify the finish when you order it. Everything else in the box can be reused, but remember to flash the firmware once the lock is installed on the door. Obviously, you're going to use the Engage mobile app for this task, as Engage is the management platform for these locks. Installation of the new mobile enabled lock is almost identical with the old NDEB, with the exception of the additional door prep required by the new door position sensor. All step-by-step instructions are included in this installation manual that's in the box. You can also scan this QR code with your mobile device and get to an interactive set of instructions. And this is the end of my quick unboxing of the new NDEB wireless lock. Do you have any questions for us? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you found this useful, and until next time, thank you for watching.